Tonight Binance price pump that will make you a millionaire. Shiba Inu news. Shibu was one of Tuesday's notable gainers as the token prices rose for a sixth session when the SHIB surged to a high of 0.9593 earlier in the day, less than 24 hours after trading at a low of 0.863. As a result of this late surge in price, Shiba Inu climbed to its highest point since December 5. Today's rally came following an upward crossover of the 10-day and 25-day moving averages. In this video, we will talk about the Binance price bump that will make you a millionaire. Shiba Inu news. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. According to a Twitter handle that tracks the incineration of Shiba Inu, Binance removed a massive 12.6 trillion SHIB tokens from the shibaswap decentralized exchange staking pool after Binance unstaked the K9-themed cryptocurrency. The leading cryptocurrency exchange moved 12.6 trillion SHIB tokens from the shibaswap staking pool at the time of the transaction. 12.6 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were worth an equivalent of $16.23 million, despite removing over 12.6 trillion Shiba Inu tokens from the staking pool. The leading crypto exchange was still not done with SHIB staking on Shiba. Swap per SHIB burn. Binance later restated a $4 trillion SHIB worth $36.2 million on the platform. Notably, the exchange first moved the 4 trillion SHIB tokens to an anonymous wallet before staking back the asset in the staking pool of the shibaswap. The Shibu burn tracker further revealed that 18.1 trillion SHIB tokens are currently staked in the staking pool. Bears mentioned that the announcement by ShibBurn comes as the burn tracker tries to enlighten members of the SHIB army about the whopping 4 trillion SHIB tokens moved earlier by Binance to shibaswap. Meanwhile, the development prompted a series of reactions from the Shiba Inu community. The most significant comment came from a prominent Shiba Inu influencer, Shib. According to Shib, Binance has an active wallet on Shibaswap created on the same day the Shiba Inu team launched the DShip. BPP noted that Binance uses the wallet for staking SHIB into staking pool, claiming rewards and distributing the rewards to its users. Shiba Inu announced a special edition event in which the Bugatti Group will host a mint party dedicated to the ecosystem's NFTs referred to as Chiosis. The partnership will bring physical items and collectible NFTs to the hands of our most devoted and supporting SHIB tokens as NFTD Genesis holders. The team said the Binance edition will cater to only 299 releases and another very special first edition release with a mint price of 0.14 ET. A crossbody limited edition luggage bag from the Bugatti Group will accompany 95% of all the mints, and a carry-on item from the same Bugatti Group will go to 5% of all the mints, rounded up to 15 lucky community members. The minting portal will go live during the Twitter Spaces event. However, the redemption port will open a week after the mint process has closed. The Shoshi and Bugatti Group Twitter Spaces event will take place on January 15. The Shiba Inu price is trading at the apex of a falling wedge. This follows an unsuccessful attempt to break up the pattern resistance for a 6,662 move to 0.158. The stubborn resistance at 0.956 coincides with the 100-day exponential moving average at 0.956 and is reinforced by the pattern's upper trendline. The 5-day EMA at 0.882 provides the Shiba Inu price with much-needed support to collect enough liquidity for the second breakout attempt. Bulls might soon push for the uptrend resumption, especially with the moving average convergence. Divergence indicator flaunting a buy signal. Moreover, the ongoing movement of the MACD above the mean line and the divergence formed by the blue line from the red line all support the bullish outlook for the Shiba Inu price. Therefore, a break from the falling wedge could be a matter of when and not if. Remember, the Shoshi and Bugatti Group Twitter Spaces event is only 4 days away, which could attract increased investor attention toward SHIB. Buy orders may be suitably placed above the wedge pattern, or if you like, the 100-day EMA recovery above the pattern could be expected to rise sharply to 0.158, representing a 6,662 move. The target equals the distance between the widest points of the wedge extrapolated above the breakout point. The Shibu community is looking forward to the launch of the Shia protocol. Speculation for its release grew exponentially toward the end of 2022, but the upgrade is marred with delays. Shibum will improve SHIB scalability while retaining the direct link to the Ethereum network. The Shibu development team maintains that Shibaria, a Layer 2 blockchain solution, will be released soon. As of now, no official launch date has been announced, but the community hopes it will come within the first quarter of 2023, among the top cryptocurrencies on the watch for many retail investors. Shiba Inu is again going on a nice run on January 11's 24-hour move to 5.6%, bringing the current year-to-date gain for SHIB up to nearly 14% for several reasons. Cryptos and meme tokens, for that matter, are surging higher right now. These assets are widely viewed as high beta ways to play surging asset prices this year. Expectations that interest rates could meet their terminal rate in the first half of the year before a pause are driving more speculative assets off their lows, and Shiba Inu has seen increased interest from whales with a 28.7 million transaction this month. Given that a significant percentage of SHIBs, like most cryptos, are held by relatively small numbers of individuals, such actions can move the price of a given token in a big way. This will be a key factor. Many investors continue to watch Shinu's metaverse launch as well as its soon-to-be launch. Shibaria, which will burn tokens for every transaction on the network, improves this project from a tokenomics perspective, with a valuation of more than $5 billion. Shinu is no small crypto token anymore, so it's unlikely to go on another multi-million-dollar run ever again, as that would put the valuation of this project into unfathomable territory. The reality is that there are plenty of companies worth a lot less than $5 billion with real cash flows and profits available to investors. Suggesting that Shiba Inu can skyrocket from here is one thing, but seeing those sorts of gains could remain unlikely, at least in the near term. India's largest crypto exchange, WRX, has released its proof of reserves and has a reserves to liability ratio of over 1:1. The company said on Wednesday that WRX reports reserves worth $286 million, with the Shibu token as the highest holding worth almost $54 million at WRX. The security and safety of user funds are our top priorities. Keeping this in mind, we have made our wallet addresses list of exchanges and independent proof of reserves report public. According to the report, X has reserves worth $286 million, with $29.6 million worth of crypto assets on the exchange and $26.45 million on the blockchain. The top 5 held reserves are 6.09 trillion Shiba Inu, 1, 356,550, 4, ATH33, 3.32 million D, and 1653 million MODH. Moreover, the crypto exchange's native token, WRX, has reserves worth nearly $14 million after releasing its P report. X claimed that it has sufficient reserve funds to meet the user's needs in unforeseen scenarios. Moreover, the crypto exchange has more than a 1:1 reserves to liabilities ratio. X has now become India's largest crypto exchange. WRX earlier committed to sharing its proof of reserves. It said the trading volume had dropped 76% from $43 billion in November 2021 to $10 billion in 2022, which made the government's move on crypto tax, and CBDC published its proof of reserves report in December last year with a total holdings of $143.99 million. The report also revealed SHIB, MODH and Doge among the top 5 holdings, thus indicating that Indian users mostly prefer these tokens. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.